What if the parts of us we try hardest to hide were actually the most beautiful? What if our scars weren't symbols of weakness, but of resilience, of life, of becoming? This is the ancient Japanese philosophy of Kintsugi, the art of mending broken pottery with gold. But it's more than just art. It's a mindset, a way of seeing the world and ourselves. Concept of Kintsugi is a radical expression of the Japanese philosophy of Wabi-Sabi, which teaches us to see beauty in imperfection. In Kintsugi, when a bowl breaks, it's not discarded. Its fractures are filled with gold lacquer, highlighting the damage instead of hiding it. So, the object becomes more valuable and more meaningful precisely because it has been broken. According to the philosophy of Kintsugi, it's the same with human also. Life leaves us with cracks, with emotional wounds, heartbreaks, and losses. But these don't have to remain as raw pain. Kintsugi says, leaving our wounds exposed forever is like a broken cup that goes unrepaired, causes unnecessary suffering. But if we reflect, learn, and grow from them, we can heal. Our scars will then tell our stories. Just like the golden seams of Kintsugi, just like a delicate piece of porcelain, the human heart can be damaged. But concealing that damage out of shame isn't healing, it's hiding. We have to understand that damage is part of our journey. It brought us to where we are. It shaped our character. And for that alone, it deserves the brilliance of gold, our inner light shining through the cracks. And philosophy of Kintsugi reminds us our imperfections are not flaws. They are the marks of our survival. Phil Libin is the co-founder of tech startups Evernote and All Turtles. He is not only a great Silicon Valley innovator, but also a connoisseur of all things Japanese, who spends a lot of time in Tokyo, where he is a familiar face at technology conferences. Libin is also a huge fan of Star Wars, and he had used the same The Empire Strikes Back mug in his office since founding Evernote. But one day, he dropped it, and it broke into more than 10 pieces. Libin admits, I swept up the pieces into a plastic bag, but was too sad and lazy to throw them out. When he learned that his mug could be brought back to life through Kintsugi, he took the pieces to an artist named Shunsuke Inoue, who lives in Fukushima and who managed to repair the mug. Libin insists that he likes it even better than the original mug. In his own words, Libin said, with the new cracks highlighted in gold lacquer, it's not just restored, it is elevated. In the purest version of Wabi-Sabi, Kintsugi doesn't attempt to hide any flaws. Quite the opposite. It highlights them, giving objects a new personality. Having problems is part of being alive. It is our difficulties and how we face them, more than our periods of contentment, that shape us throughout the course of our lives. There is an old Indian parable about the beauty and utility of cracks. The story's protagonist is an Indian water bearer who had 2 large pots that hung at each end of a pole he carried on his shoulders. One pot was perfect and could retain all the water as the water bearer carried it along the path from the stream to his master's house. The other pot had several cracks, and when it arrived at its destination, only half the water remained. For several years, each pot took its path, and the result was always unequal. The one that knew itself to be perfect was proud of its achievements, impeccably serving the purpose for which it had been created. The cracked pot felt ashamed of its cracks, since it could fulfill only half of its obligation. On one occasion, its sadness was so great, the cracked vessel decided to speak to the water bearer. "I'm ashamed of myself. I want to apologize to you. Because of my cracks, you can deliver only half my load and are paid only half the money you would otherwise receive." The water bearer answered, full of compassion, "On the way back, I want you to look at the beautiful flowers growing by the side of the path." Indeed, the pot noticed that there were many beautiful flowers all along the path. Despite this, it still felt sad, because in the end, only half the water arrived at its destination. Have you noticed that the flowers grow only on your side of the road? The water bearer pointed out. "I've always known you were cracked, and I found the bright side. I planted seeds all along the route we take, and you have watered them each day without noticing. As a result, now I have all these flowers. If you weren't the way you are, with all your cracks, I would still be walking through a desert." Sometimes, what we see as weakness is actually what makes us most valuable to the world. Philosophy of Kintsugi is deeply rooted in the idea of Wabi-Sabi, finding beauty in the aged, the worn, and the incomplete. In a world obsessed with perfection, Wabi-Sabi tells us to pause, to find meaning in the faded photograph, the weathered hands, the chipped bowl. Because these things are alive, they carry stories, they carry soul, and just like them, our cracks are part of who we are, not mistakes, but milestones. Kintsugi teaches us several powerful lessons. First, healing takes time. Gold doesn't dry in a day. Let yourself mend slowly. Second, scars are strength. They show you've endured. Thirdly, your story matters. Every break, every repair is part of your personal mythology. In the end, Kintsugi isn't just about fixing something broken. It's about transforming it into something new. Life is fragile, and like porcelain, we will all be dropped by something: loss, grief, failure. But we are not worthless because we were broken. We are priceless because we choose to heal. Kintsugi invites us to stop hiding our pain and instead wear it like gold, openly, courageously, and beautifully. So the next time you feel cracked or incomplete, remember, you are not broken. You are becoming art, and your gold is already within you. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. And if our content has inspired you, consider supporting our channel by becoming a member or giving super. Your contributions enable us to keep delivering valuable and uplifting content. Thanks for watching.